Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 26th of August, 2020. Hope you had a good trading day on Tuesday. It wasn't much of a day. Again, it was pretty flat all the way into the last hour, and then we kind of drifted up. We'll look at that in a minute. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. All right, crude oil down 2 cents to 43.33, whatever. Gold up $9.20, nowhere near the highs at the moment. S&P cash gained $12.34. The Nasdaq 100 up 95.64. Remember, there's a 13 sell signal in place there, and we're right up against the risk line of that at this point in time. The risk line is 11,725, and we closed at 11,721 and change. So right under it. The SOX up 23.69, and now we have the projection mode 13 sell signal here. Biotech's up 67.7. Russell 2000 up 2.73. VIX loses 34 cents back to 22.03. The trend closes at 0.97. Puts the 10-day moving average at 1.07. NASDAQ volume 3.4 billion shares. So again, an up day, light volume. This is how this goes. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was positive 625. And here's the fun part, though. On the New York, negative 87. So more stocks down than up as the S&P hits 500 now. Google gained 20.70, which is the one that held it up, maybe a little bit of Amazon. But Apple down $4.13. Netflix was literally up $1.77, which is a blip. Amazon was up $39.03. Still kind of a blip for a $3,000 stock, but you know it does help. Tesla, after all these days of being up and down like 50 points, just up 9. It spent a lot of the day in negative territory. Note the 13 sell signal still in place there. Facebook up $9.43. Goldman Sachs loses $1.34 until to the 20-year bond ETF down $1.27. The Dow lost a little bit. So, overall net, not much of a day. When we look at the intraday action, here's what we get. So, again, we had here's the ES, had kind of a small gap up, drifted down, filled the gap, went into lunch. We were still inside the opening 5-minute candle, came out of lunch. We were still inside of the opening 5-minute candle, literally until like right after that. And then with about an hour and a half left, literally started drifting up and drifted up about 6 points. So that was the whole day. It's not very interesting. It's not really tradable. And this is what we're still stuck with. NASDAQ doesn't even take out the highs of the prior day. So it is what it is. I mean, there's just nothing. There's nothing here to deal with. Everybody knows what's really going on. I think we're just waiting for it to start. The ES. Okay, that's it. In terms of economic data coming out on Wednesday, durable goods at, I feel like something changed on my thing. It should be an hour before the bell, and crude oil inventories at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll just see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.